Question 24 says expand y minus 4 all squared. This is a straight question. If you know how to expand, it's easy. You have y minus 4 in one bracket, y minus 4 in second bracket. That's y minus 4 squared. You have to make a second of it, then multiply them together. And you know how you multiply your algebra. In this case, you can say y times y, and this y times this minus 4. Then you go to the second step, minus 4 times y, and minus 4 times minus 4. This question is easy, but the minus here makes it technical. But we'll do it the right way, where we repeat one of them twice. We repeat this y minus 4 twice. Y minus 4 in one bracket, y minus 4. Repeat this y minus 4 twice. This particular one, repeat it twice. Then for the second one, you take the y first, put it in front. Then this 4, like always said on this page, a number owns the positive or the negative sign in front of it. This 4 owns this minus, so you are taking this 4 and this minus with the second y minus 4. Then you multiply this y times this y. That's y times y is y squared. Y times minus 4, that's y times minus 4. The y has a positive, that's plus times minus will give you minus. Then y times 4 is 4y, so you have minus 4y. You can jump on it. Since the y is positive, you can just write your negative. Then y times 4 is 4y. But for the sake of this minus 4, you don't do it with this. We'll get to it. So we have minus 4 times y. You're not just multiplying this 4 times this y. This is minus 4 times y. Minus 4 times y. On our rough part, we have minus 4 times y. You can say plus y. Minus times plus, because this y has a plus, will give you minus. Then 4 times y is 4y. So we have minus 4y. Then you have this minus 4 times this minus 4. This is where some students get it wrong, because they just drag this minus here, then they say 4 times 4 is 16. They'll get minus 16. That's where they get it wrong. It is this minus 4 times this minus 4. You're going to get plus 16. So this 4 owns this minus, and this 4 owns this minus. So you have minus 4 times minus 4. Negative times negative, or minus times minus, two same signs will give you positive. 4 times 4 will give you 16. You now see that this thing now turns into plus 16. You might understand this topic, but because of this minus, the technicality of this minus, you get it wrong. It turns to plus 16. You have to be very careful there. At this point, we add like terms. We have y squared. We know, though this has a y and this has a y, they are not the same, because this y is squared. This is y squared. It's squared. But this y is to the power of 1. So these two are the same. So we add them together. Or like in this case, we subtract. Pick one of the y's. Then you have minus 4 is like minus 4 yams, minus 4 yams. You are owing 4 yams and you are owing 4 yams. In total, you are owing 8 yams. So it's minus 8 yams. Minus 8y in this case. So these two will give you minus 8y. Then plus 16. Since there are no other like terms, our final answer is y squared minus 8y plus 16. From the options, our answer is E, which is y squared minus 8y plus 16.